Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2013 Toyota Prius V. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and just press down that emergency brake. Now go ahead and unlatch the hood. Now you can go ahead and lift up on this lever here and pick your hood up. Once you get your hood up, you're going to want to take the safety arm here and lock it in. So your next step is going to be to jack it up. So I like to use heavy duty jack stands. That way you're safe. So you can go ahead and just let a little bit out and we're good. All right, so let's do that to the other side. Put your other jack in, make sure it's pretty secure in a good spot. Let your jack down low. And then just to be safe, I like to get 3 points of contact. So I'll put that jack right there. So now you need to take these tabs out. So I'm an electrician by trade, so that's why I go with the dikes. I'm sure they have a tool for this, but I don't have it. So there's another tab here. For these, you want to get a screwdriver, pop that center one out, and then it falls right out. Alright, your next step is going to be to undo this drain plug. Now that takes a 14mm socket. It's also a good idea to wear safety glasses when you're underneath here. Once you break it free, you can undo it by hand. And just let it drop. So after you take the drain plug out, you're going to want to undo this cap on top of your engine. That way it lets air go in there. It lets it drain faster. So your next step, which is my favorite, is the oil filter, which is here. This is a paper filter. Okay, so to make this easier, you're going to want an oil filter wrench. So this is the Performance Tool W54118. Alright, so this is what you call a dirty filter. So take this filter out, you can throw it away. So the casing you're going to want to clean up, take this oil wrench off. Alright, so after you have that cleaned up, you can go ahead and put the filter in. So I'm using a CarQuest Premium Oil Filter 84064. Alright, so you want to replace this O-ring with this new one. It goes in pretty easy. Alright, so what I like to do is take some fresh new oil and rub around this O-ring for a good seal. Alright, now you can drop your filter in and you can put it back in. Alright, so your next step is going to be to put the oil back in. So I have 5 US quarts here of full synthetic. That's what you have to use for this car. What they recommend. Alright, so I have about a quart left. I'm going to start that off and see where I'm at. Alright, that should be good. Let's check it. Yeah, we're still pretty low. Alright, that should be good. Let's check it again. And that's about perfect. 5 quarts. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Gravy Income. Please hit that like button and subscribe.